scrappage policy in India was announced way back in August 2021 by the Prime Minister of India to ensure that unfit vehicles, both in the commercial vehicle as well as the passenger vehicle space, would have a systematic way of being recycled. Today, as it stands, there are 12 such facilities in the country, and Tata Motors has taken a giant step towards this initiative by inaugurating their very first registered vehicle scrappage facility in Jaipur. Let's take a look at this facility. Tata Motors Re.Wi.Re is built on a 5-acre plot on the Jaipur-Ajmer highway that offers a sustainable alternative to end-of-life vehicles. We are inside Tata's Re.Wi.Re facility, which stands for Recycle with Respect. It has the capacity to dismantle 15,000 vehicles, commercial as well as passenger vehicles in total annually. But on a daily basis, 50 vehicles can be dismantled here. It starts with two dismantling lines for the passenger and small commercial vehicles, and it moves on to 4 stations for the large commercial vehicles. We'll take a deeper look into how all of this functions. The process for both passenger and commercial vehicles starts with a thorough evaluation of the vehicle and documents to identify components and used parts that can be sold as per policy guidelines. At the commercial vehicle cell, the vehicle is first sent to the depollution bay, after which the load body is dismantled, followed by cabin and chassis until the bare body shell remains. In the passenger and small commercial vehicle lines, the vehicles are systematically run through 4 stations, starting with the depollution station, where the batteries are removed, airbags exploded, and vehicles drained of all lubricants and oil. The vehicle then moves on to the next station for removal of wheels, doors, lights, then on to the next to dismantle the seats and bumpers, after which the engine, gearbox and axle is dismantled, followed by removing of glass, dashboard and wiring of the vehicle. Finally, the bare body shell is put into the baler. All tires and plastics collected from the stations are then taken to the scrapyard, while the engine and axle is sent for deep dismantling. The final scrap material is then sent off to various interested parties.
The Rajasthan and the area nearby Jaipur area has an end-of-life vehicle load of 6 lakh vehicles, and this center will be a great starting point for the scrapping industry in Rajasthan and northern India. It is fully digitalized for hassle-free, paperless operations and has dedicated stations for safe demanding of scrap components and materials. Friends, we are marching ahead with our vision led by Prime Minister Shri Modi ji, with a focus on becoming Atmanirbhar Bharat.
The registered vehicle scrappage facility that we see today is a state-of-the-art facility which adheres to globally approved processes and has modern equipment for safe and sustainable vehicle scrapping and recycling. Today marks a momentous day as we inaugurate our first end-of-life vehicle scrappage facility, which will enable complete life cycle management and extend benefits to all stakeholders of the society.
As the vehicle scrappage policy comes into effect on the 1st of April, Tata Motors is working on setting up 12 more such registered vehicle scrappage facilities across the country, which sets into motion Shri Nitin Gadkari's vision of setting up one scrappage facility per 150 km distance in every district.